everybody. This is Erin Reba from SparkBC Technical Training. We are here again with another hot topic. I've got two of my favorite SparkBC people on the line. We've got Don Ballard with us from the island. Hey, Don.
Hey.
Thanks for joining us today. We've got Ted Gilbert from the interior.
Hey, say hi from sunny Jamaica.
No, the only way.
I only win.
Making me so jealous right now. So we've got a hot topic today. Don, I think you're going to kick it off. You've got something that you wanted to share. Ted, you've got the photo, so I'm going to throw it over to you.
Okay.
All right. Thanks a lot. We've got an interesting one to talk about today. We have an installation that a contractor had sent over to me to have a look at and get my interpretation on. And we're going to get Ted to throw the picture up there. The picture, I'll speak to this picture. It's
Can
an
you see it,
installation.
Don?
I got it, yeah.
A little bit. There you go.
There you go. So this installation is a feeder circuit it's actually from a pole, but there is a switch on the pole, so it's a feeder. It's not a service conductor. And what we're looking at, the contractor has run up with ACWU into a PVC adapter into that PVC that you see on the side of the building there, and a PVC LB. The question is, he was actually called on this because there was only a bonding bushing at one end, at the supply end, and of course at this end that armor isn't bonded. So he was called on that for having no bonding on that armor, and requested to fix it into a metal installation that would bond that connector. So Ted's going to flip over to the rule, which is 12608, that is in reference to this particular installation. And if you look at 12608, thanks, Ted, it says that armored cable shall be run in such a manner that it's mechanically and electrically continuity of the armor is maintained throughout the run, and the armor of the cable shall be mechanically and electrically secured to all of which is attached. What do you think, Ted? What's your take on that?
Well, you know, Don, I would be inclined to approve this installation. It's bonded at the switch end. It's a feeder. The armor is bonded, and we're not relying on the armor to be the bonding means to the panel that's inside that building. This armored cable has a bonding wire in it, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
So all I really have to do is make sure that the armor is bonded in some way, and by all accounts of what you told me, it is. It's at the switch end at the pole, which you're correct about it now just being a feeder. If it was a service conductor, I would feel differently, but I think as a feeder, it's fine. That's my opinion.
Yeah, it's an interesting installation, and I can tell you there's lots of different interpretations of this particular code rule here. So I don't think it needs to be bonded either, but there are people that disagree with us on that.
You know, there's an option available to us. I'm not sure how long it will take to get a ruling back, but I will, anybody can pose a question to CSA through their contact website. And if you pose a question in a yes or no type of answer, and you know what, I'm gonna write up a question and send it to CSA.
Great idea.
In the meantime, if everyone out there has got some comments about it, we'd love to hear them. It might help us out. What do you think, Don?
I think that's a great idea. And you can send any of your comments or your questions to info@SparkBC. Go ahead and send that in, and we'd love to hear from you.
Awesome.
Awesome, guys. It's great to hear from you, and hope to see you soon. Thanks for tuning in with us today. And for anybody that's viewing the video, you can always make sure to comment down below as well.
Right on.
Excellent.
Excellent.
Thanks, Aaron.
Thanks, guys. See you soon.
Bye now.